With skills here, so you know it's coming up on that time where you're gonna have power outages or whatever. So I had to pull this one out of the doggone garage, clean it up, make sure I'm ready for hurricane season. And this is one of those little Harbor Freight generators here. Make sure I got some gas in this thing. Yes, and I can smell it. Yeah, so first thing you want to do is go to your stop. That's how you're going to turn it off. The one way, or shall I say, this is your run. I meant correction. It'll control your throttling. There's your receptacle. Reset is your breaker. So to get this puppy going, you're gonna switch it on. Gonna hit your little, you got a little valve here, so you want to turn that valve on, and that's when all the fun begins of trying to crank this thing. So if it's been sitting up for a while, like right now, it's a little flooded, so you can see the gas there. Come on. Almost. So I'm gonna get out a break.